Hospitality kala aviation Liam Li Otsakavai Worship R&T Institute of Aviation and Hospitality we branch New Delhi lila Shohaira. Institute China air hostess ground staff kala hospitality we training kachang mati we mia. Pau mi gradi sure the institute chiwi. Ainatam gakui candidates shagatum lang the reputed airlines kala corporate sectors li placement samang hire. Shock the clay situation di saklak aina kui the institute chiwi New Delhi branch China pakamay job opportunities kala exposure mathakamay mi kawai sara dahang. R&T Institute of Aviation and Hospitality na free one-way flight to New Delhi, free 30 days accommodation and fooding, full job placement assistance mira chidale. New Delhi branch with direct admission hapokaira, online admission na sapaya. 11 batch with wang ningasang pinga Imphal lila, New Delhi branch lila zangbaira. Phone number 700-5970-470 maningaka 8800